No, tú hablas.
Tú habla.
Tú hablas.
¿Qué le quieres decir al mundo? ¿Ah? Hola mundo, ¿cómo están?
Tú hablas.
Dile, yo me llamo Risa y soy muy bonita, medio chiquiada. Good morning, it's Monday, week 5, and I gotta go shoot a wedding. It's short today, so I should be done in about an hour and a half. I already drank my coffee, but I'll see you guys later on when I eat lunch. Bye. Filming Hawaii Five-0 where I normally shoot the pool scenes. So hopefully by the time my wedding comes around, they got some space I can use. I just got home and I gotta edit some stuff, but before I do that, booyah! Some carbonated drink, pork rinds with hot sauce and lemon. All right, so dinner is gonna be some steamed cauliflower, a Cobb salad. I stir-fried some chicken with curry powder and bean sprouts, and that's it. Simple. Okay. Hey guys, so I'm at Costco. I'm not gonna record what I buy just because I'm here for mostly toilet paper, paper towels, things like that. I got my coffee in the car, and as soon as I finish shopping, I'm just gonna go home and edit all day. I don't have any weddings today, but I got 5 that I need to edit, so it's not good. That's the cheapest I've seen avocados in Costco. I just finished putting up 3 Facebook Live videos in English, Spanish, and Japanese, and man, I was so nervous. I can't believe how bad my Japanese still is. 15 years of studying Japanese, and I still suck at it. It motivates me to get fluent as soon as possible, especially if I want to travel the country. So anyways, now I gotta go pick up my daughters and take them to Spanish class. And yeah, still got 5 weddings that I need to edit. I didn't even touch them. Man. I'm gonna eat some pork rinds right now, and then I got me some carbonated water, and that's it. And then later on I might cook some steak. I'm not sure yet. See you guys. Este es regalo de tu amiga, ¿verdad?
Amigo.
De la clase, amigo de la clase, okay. Ahora, sí. Oh, es una libreta y lápices.
Power 1043, Micah Banks and Candace K. Happy Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
It's another early morning. I already lost track of the days. I think it's Wednesday. And man, I gotta shoot a wedding that's a ceremony's outside and it's raining. I always feel bad for the couple when it rains, just because it's not what they, nobody wants that. I don't know what happened to the weather. The last 2 days were perfect days, and now it's all cloudy and rainy. I didn't drink water, so I'm gonna go get me a coffee and then drink it, go home, and if I'm hungry when I get home, I'll eat something. Right now I do feel hungry. Okay, change of plans. The McDonald's was closed. I guess they're having some water damage, so they closed it up. And Megu called me, and I guess she's in town, so I'm gonna go meet her in Ala Moana and probably eat yakiniku again or something. I just realized that the lights are out, and I was driving around not paying attention. So no wonder everybody's all clustered up in the middle. Man. It's one thing about Hawaii, man. If it rains, people lose their minds over here.
Happy ears. Vamos.
Vámonos.
Pero vamos.
Diva. It's another day of bad weather in Hawaii. I'm going to the west side of the island, so hopefully on that side it's not raining, because otherwise it's gonna suck today. No breakfast yet. I just made myself some coffee, and I gotta go to work. Hey guys, so I'm waiting for my couple to show up so we can do a town photo tour. But I forgot to mention, last night I went to sleep late. Somewhere about 10 o'clock at night I was eating a bag of pork rinds. I was watching the new Chris Rock Netflix special, and so I was eating that. And then also in the afternoon, while I was driving around on my way home, I was snacking on some macadamia nut, and it couldn't have been more than a quarter of a cup. It's not too much. It doesn't take too much for me to get full with macadamia nuts. And so yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know. I didn't put it on video, so I wanted to let you know so that, you know, so you can see everything that I was eating. The schedule changed on me, so now I thought I was gonna finish at 4, but now it turns out I'm gonna finish at about 5:15, 5:30. So just gonna snack on these right here. This is the seaweed, the Korean seaweed, and I got some macadamia nuts here in the car, so I'm gonna eat that for now until I have a chance to go home and cook something. It's days like this where I used to break down, where I would, you know, shoot all day, not get a chance to like drink water or eat something, and you know, I finished the day and I'm just eager to eat something. So before I go home, I go somewhere and I binge eat chips, soda, you know, just junk food. I drank 2 coffees and I've been drinking water all day, so right now I don't feel as hungry, as tempted as I used to.
Alguien está aquí, pones la camisa.
Porque nadie me quiere ver sin camisa. So I came home and Megu had this ready for me. Oh, she does love me. I'm gonna try to kill the whole thing. It's mostly what do you call? Lettuce. So chicken, bacon, and avocado. So it's like the perfect meal. The perfect. So it's like the perfect keto meal. The meal. Hey guys, it's Friday. I just grabbed my coffee. I'm happy now. I dropped off Risa at school, and then I'm going home so I can do some more videos for you guys. I was able to catch up on my edits. I just have one more from yesterday. You know, I just wanted to mention that I know I haven't weighed myself a lot recently, or at least I haven't put it on camera just because it happens kind of sporadically. But I want to make a point that I don't really care how much I weigh. The reason that I don't really care is that weight loss is not very linear. So it happened every time that I've lost weight. One day you're up, one day you're down. If you take it too seriously, then on the up days, you're gonna feel depressed, stressed out. So the way I like to track my weight now, I weigh myself and I log it down. The next time I weigh myself, if I'm above that, then I don't log it. If I'm below that, then I log it down. So I only really log the down days, right? And the reason I do that is because I can tell if I'm plateauing or if I'm not moving towards my goal by how many days go in between where I record it. So it's kind of hard to explain. So what I want to do is I want to make a video with the app that I use to track my weight. Another reason that I don't really take the weight seriously is because there's a huge difference from 2013 when I lost 60 pounds by cardio, small meals and all that, than now. Back then, when I hit 215 pounds, I look bony. I look sick. I didn't like it. I have a picture that if I can find it, I'll put it on this video. I look really skinny. My shoulders look kind of, kind of square and not in a good way, kind of just like bones sticking out. And that's just because I was going wild with the low fat and the cardio, and that was just the combination of those. I basically burnt out all my muscle, or at least most of my muscle. I didn't like the process. I didn't like the feeling. I didn't like the look. With keto, I'm not losing obviously as much weight because I haven't worked out this entire time. This whole challenge I haven't worked out. But you can kind of tell that even though I'm losing weight, I'm still chubby, but even though you can tell on my face that I lost weight from when I first started the challenge, but I still kind of retain some of my bulk, which I like. Even though I do plateau here and there, and then by cheating I gain weight back. Even when I get back on the wagon and I start losing again, I don't lose my muscle mass. Any diet that allows me to eat this guilt-free is a diet for me. Yum, 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 yum. Good morning, it's Saturday and we're getting ready to go to Japanese school, swim class, and work. So I'm just gonna eat some mabo tofu that Megu made last night. This is another good one that could be easily made into keto friendly. So I'm gonna eat this for now. I'm not really hungry though. She left it outside. I don't want to go bad. Okay.
Do this rainbow.
Rainbow. Okay. So she's going to Rainbow. Actually, last night after I picked up Risa, I fell asleep and I slept all night. So I probably went to sleep at like 4 and woke up this morning at 6 or 7. So I'm rested, but that was a lot of sleep, a lot of wasted time. So I've learned from my last 4 weeks of this challenge. So now I gotta keep some macadamia nuts in the car just in case. And most importantly, I'm traveling with water now. I have a cooler in the back, which I used to have until I put it in the mobile studio, and then I just kept forgetting to put it back in my personal vehicle. So now I got water, so I don't have an excuse to binge or feel like hungry because I'm thirsty. Does that make sense?
I see the way he walks into the room and then he speaks. So sweet, every word from his lips is like honey. I know he loves me. In the way he sings and the way he strums his instrument, the way he jams and the way he treats his family is funny. I know he loves me. Although our lives get super complicated, just play the song when you need a little lift, 'cause baby, I'm finally.
Okay, so that's dinner. There was some steak that Megu defrosted yesterday, and even though she's not here, I cooked it just so it doesn't go bad. And it's kind of cheap, so it doesn't have a lot of fat in it. It's kind of hard. So I added some butter and mushroom, and then I'm also eating an avocado, and then there was some ground pork. I didn't want it to go to waste either, so I added it to the zucchini and with bacon. And so that's gonna be dinner. This morning I weighed myself, I was 243.8, and then I didn't really eat anything besides the mabu tofu. So when I got home at 5, I weighed 241. Now, it doesn't matter because after I eat this, I'm gonna go up, and then if I eat again later on, I'm gonna go up, and then when I don't eat it, I'm gonna go down. As long as you know your body and you stay into what your body can handle, then you're gonna lose weight. It's Sunday, the last day of week 5, and it was an early morning. I had to wake up like at 5:30 again on a Sunday. And all day I've just been kind of irritated. It's still only 10 o'clock. I'm gonna go get myself some coffee from McDonald's, go to Target to kind of shake off some of this irritation. And I gotta wait 2 hours so I can shoot the same couple that I just finished shooting for 15 minutes at a beach that's gonna be completely packed. So that doesn't sound fun at all. All right, it's the final meal of week 5. So it's Sunday night. It's about 4:40, almost 5 o'clock, and this is actually gonna be my first meal. The only thing else that I ate, the only thing else that I drank was a coffee right after the wedding. I'm actually less hungry now, even though the coffee was about 3 hours ago, than I was immediately after the wedding. I guess because I drank coffee, and then since I got home I've been drinking carbonated water, then I'm not as hungry. For dinner I was feeling kind of lazy, so I just got this that I had this in the freezer. I bought it a long time ago from Costco, and I just wanted to try it since I didn't want it to get too old in the freezer. And so let me show you what I made for dinner. All right, so this is a salmon. It's already pre-marinated and it was frozen, so I'm not even 100% sure if it's all the way cooked. It says to cook it from 15 to 20 minutes. I cooked it for 30. I also threw in some cauliflower with some olive oil and some lemon pepper seasoning. I got me a whole avocado with some sea salt. I made a Cobb salad. This one literally took me about 5 minutes, if that. It has some pastrami on top, romaine lettuce, zucchini, and I think that's it. And then leftovers from yesterday. Now it seems like a lot of food, but it's not all for me. This one's for me. Some of this I'm gonna eat, and then if I'm still hungry after I finish my plate, I might eat some of this leftovers. If not, we'll leave it for tomorrow. I spent a bunch of hours last night working on my t-shirt designs. So if you have some time, go ahead and check out my t-shirts. I'll have a link down below. Also, please subscribe if you haven't. Please subscribe to this channel. And if you're feeling generous, check out my Patreon account. Like I said, this is gonna be my primary source of income when I retire next year. So if you can help me out with that, I would appreciate it. Thank you for watching. See you guys next week. I forgot to record myself this whole week eating, so this is just for the thumbnail. That's it.